Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna clean. Yeah, this is my morning routine of cleaning. So before that I would like to show you all how actually my house looks in the morning with all the clutter with anyway I will show it to you. So before starting this video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and like, share and comment if you like this video. So this is where we sleep, and these are all my daughter's toys. So it is all like this. So she was playing so long and then having a breakfast, so her high chair is here. Then she had her milkshake, so the bottle is there. So the house is in this condition, and also I need to water the plants for the balcony and wash the balcony, and there are few clothes which I have to dry, and then there are few clothes which I have to remove and fold. So all this you will be seeing in this video. So let's start. that's it everyone. My house is clean, the morning routine is done, and next I have to go for cooking. It's already 1:20 and I have to go for cooking. And for your info, I don't have any maid for any work, so I'm doing everything by myself. Yeah. So if you like this video, do like, share and do subscribe to my channel. If you all have any questions, do ask me in the comment section and I will definitely reply to you all. And do let me know if you all like this video and all the products which I showed in this video. And that's it. And also do follow me on Facebook and Instagram too, which the link will be in the description box below. That's it for today, and keep watching all my videos. Until then, bye bye.